Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Faded Shadow early in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This area is in the Spire of Frost on the very north of the region of Demonis. Once you're here, all you need to do is light all the lamps inside the spire. These lamps are frozen, so you need to break them with your weapon. Keep going up the stairs since all the lamps are placed along this path. If you see a dead end, just go out of the window and vice versa, then keep going up the stairs and light up all the lamps until you reach the very top. Once all the lamps are lit, an abyss gate will open. Enter this abyss gate so we can head to the next area. Once you spawn here, force palm upwards to exit this area through this roof. Make your way to the very end of this abyss until you see the red abyss platforms. I recommend bringing a bunch of teas for this or at least upgrade your stamina to level 9 since we need to fly towards that abyss platform. Fly towards it and try to land on the other floating blocks to reset your stamina or keep using honey teas. Now once you're here, fly to the main area then turn right towards these stairs. Inside this room will be the Faded Shadow. This sword comes with 25 attack, level 1 attack speed, and it's already on its 6th level of refinement. But what's special about this weapon is its abyss gear, Grey Soul Howling. This skill sends out a delayed attack every time your turning slash makes contact. This is one of the best turning slash effects along with other gears like Ground Surge for turning slash builds. And that's how to get the Faded Shadow early in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.